Tropicana Atlantic City is one of the most complete and vibrant resorts in the city. It's located right on the waterfront, just steps from the famous Boardwalk, which guarantees an incredible location for anyone who loves walking, enjoying the beach, and exploring local attractions. The resort is practically a mini world on its own. Dozens of restaurants, themed bars, lounges, movie theaters, and even live shows. The highlight is the Quarter, an indoor area inspired by Havana, filled with shops, cafes, and an atmosphere that makes you forget you're inside a hotel. The rooms vary a lot depending on the tower you choose. Some are simpler and older, while others are fully renovated and modern. The casino is huge and very lively, with that classic Atlantic City vibe. For those looking to relax, Tropicana also offers pools, including indoor options depending on the season, a spa, and plenty of entertainment options without even having to leave the resort. In summary, Tropicana Atlantic City is perfect for travelers who want fun, a great location, a wide variety of restaurants, and lots of activities all in one place. Ideal for anyone who loves a hotel full of energy and things to do all day long. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and see you next time.